Alrighty guys, we have a sponsor for today's video now that I finally got this dragged down to where I need it. Rundeer is the sponsor of today's video. We have a package from them. I haven't opened it up yet. It's all taped up as you can see. I'm gonna open this thing up and then I'm gonna show you guys what we got inside. Yeah, if you guys want to check this bike out for yourself, or you guys want to like read up on it or anything like that, I want to thank Rundeer for sponsoring this video. I'm going to leave them linked down below in the description. You guys want to check that out after this video ends.